How to change age restriction on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. On the main settings page, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. In the Screen Time menu, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If needed, enable content and privacy restrictions using the switch at the top. From here, go to App Store, Media, Web and Games as shown. You can view all the allowed media services content over here. Scroll to Apps and tap on it. Choose the age rating you want to allow, such as for plus, 9 plus, 12 plus, 17 plus, or allow all. After selecting, tap on Back to return to content restrictions and confirm the new choice. Your iPhone will now limit or allow apps based on the age rating you selected. Following these steps, you can easily change age restriction on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.